All right, so let me just jump back. Sorry, I forgot to hit the record button. But we said number 1 was 2 to the 6th. All right, then we checked with the calculator. 2 to the 6th is 64. Then Miss Elliott told me that number 2 was d to the 6th. All right, Jacob.
Yeah.
What are we doing on number 3?
-1/4 to the power of 3.
Yes, but the only thing I need everybody to make sure you do is I want you to put parentheses around it. All right, whenever there's parentheses, you should get in the habit of doing parentheses, or whenever there are negatives involved, we're doing parentheses. All right, anybody have any issues? Everybody agree? Simple, simple. What?
Wouldn't that equal -1 in 64?
Yeah, that's -1/64. That is true. All right, but right now I don't care about that. All right, we're just writing it. I was just making sure you know how to use your calculator.
Okay.
Everybody's just writing it out. All right, Mikey, you're up, number 4. How would I write this?
4. I don't understand this one.
Yes, you do. How many m's are there?
3.
So it'd be 4m to the,
Oh, 4m to the 3rd power.
and then
Q to the 3rd power.
that's all there is. That's it. 4m, something to the 3rd power we can sometimes call what? Do you remember? What is it? Cubed. Cubed. 2nd power can be said as a square. All right. So I have 4m cubed, q cubed. How's everybody doing on that? Anybody? All right, Sophia, you're up. Number 5.
1 minus 3 to the 3rd power.
Yes, y minus 3 to the 3rd power. Notice this right here is a whole quantity. There are 3 of these. That's why we write as y minus 3 to the 3rd. Yes. No. No. That's it. That's the only outcome, only possibility right there. That has to be the way you write it. Okay, Lila, you're telling me.
A plus 1 to the 2nd power.
Yes, a plus 1 squared. A plus 1 squared, or a plus 1 to the 2nd power. Notice I left the parentheses in. You have to have the parentheses. Yes, ma'am.
When you put the exponent, do you go outside or inside the print?
Outside the parentheses. It goes outside the parentheses. If you wrote it like this, let me show you. If I wrote a plus 1 squared, that just means the 1 is the only thing that's being squared. You with me? And next year, I'm going to show you a lot about this. All right. That is definitely not the same as that. Okay. Anybody? It's really simple, guys. Really, really simple. All right. Which brings me over to number 7. Addison, you're telling me.
So the point zero can have a body length of more than 2/4
2 to the 4th.
2 to the 4th centimeters. How many centimeters long is it?
Okay, now you can use your calculator. 16 centimeters. All right, 16 centimeters. I'm happy with that. All right, Max, number 8, read it.
Theo sends an email.
Oh, it's not counting.
Theo sends an email to 3 friends. Each friend forwards the email to 3 friends. Each of those friends forward it to 3 friends, and so on. Write the number of emails sent during the 5th stage and how you find the value of the power.
What is this saying? Do you know?
No.
All right, so let me show you what they're saying. All right, so you have 3 people. All right, and you send out 3 emails. And then these 3 people send out what? 3 emails. And then these send out what? 3 emails. So can someone tell me how I would write that?
Would it be 3 to the 5th power?
Yes, that's exactly. Each person is sending out 3 more emails. So that's why I'm really happy for you on that. That represents 3 to the 5th power.
Which is 27 centimeters.
No, it's not. 3 to the 5th. Who was doing this prop? Max, shh, quiet. Max, I want you to do 3 to the 5th on your calculator.
243.
I agree with you. 243. And of course, we would say 243 emails. Okay. Thank you. Anybody have any issues? Okay. Now, what? Oh, that's nice. That's a good name. All right, so here we go. Now, everyone has to write in the translation here. All right, so we're going to start. Tell me. Wow, how did you do that? What's A? 3 to the third power plus 2. All right, that's it. I'm okay with that. 3 to the third power plus 2, he is correct, is 29. All right, now tell me again, what does 3 to the third power mean? I know, but what does it actually mean? No, 3 to the third power means, how did you get 27? There you go. I want to make sure everybody knows that. 3 to the third power means 3 times 3 times 3. Does everybody understand? I don't care about doing the arithmetic on that, right? I'm okay with using your calculator. All right, yes, questions?
Can you just write the answer for these?
Yeah, well, no. I want you to plug the numbers in. You with me? Because there's going to be some order of operation I want to make sure you know. All right, yes, ma'am.
How is it 3 to the third power?
Because A is 3. You see where A is 3 right here?
Oh, okay.
All right, the numbers are right up the top. The numbers are right up the top. Okay, so now Maggie, all right, you get to tell me about number 10. What am I doing?
Number 10 is 3
Good.
negative parentheses -4 and then -1 to the second power.
Exactly. All right, exactly. Now, put your calculators down for a second. Put your calculators down. Let's practice some mental math. What do I have to do first here, Maggie? Shh.
That should be what's in the parentheses.
Yeah, so what's that?
-5.
And then what's negative? Now what do I do next?
-5 times 3.
No, that's what I'm checking on right there. 3 parentheses -5 squared. Remember, we got to do order of operation.
Oh, and then -5 to the second power.
What's that?
25, -25.
No, because it's -5 times -5. True?
Yeah, but- okay,
So -5 times -5 is what?
25.
25. All right, and then you're multiplying that by what? Yeah, multiply that by 3. Now you know what 3/4 is, so what's that?
And so,
Yeah, stop. I want her to tell me. All right, I'm trying to make sure everybody understands order of operation also. Okay, Maggie, is that okay now?
yeah.
Now, what I want everyone to do now, what's the matter, Dora?
How did you get?
Did I say Dora? I'm sorry, Nora.
Yeah. So is it?
I know it's not.
When you do multiplying 3 by the same side, when you think that the negative to the same? Oh, you know, I know.
Okay, that was fast. All right, now, one more time, Maggie. Now I want everybody to type it in on their calculator. All right, what?
I did it on a calculator and it said syntax error. Yeah.
No, I'm not arguing with you. That's why we're showing you. All right, so you do 3 times, open parentheses, -4 -1, close parentheses. Then hit the square button. Remember, there is the square button. It's the x2. Then hit equals. And see if that,
About 75.
75. Now remember, minus and negative are not the same. Minus and negative are not the same. There's a negative button on your calculator. Everybody needs to find the negative. When you type in -4, you don't hit -4. You do not hit -4. You hit -4. Now, everybody try it again. That's why we're using the calculator, practicing.
Where's the negative button?
It's on the very bottom.
Oh, yeah.
All right, everybody try it until you get negative, until you get 75. Is everybody good with 75 now? What are you getting? Because you're hitting minus instead of negative. All right, hit clear on your calculator. Shh. You ready, clear? All right, so I want you to do 3 times, open parentheses, -4, -1, See what I mean? There is a difference between minus and negative. All right. Again, that's what I'm saying. Everybody, if you just learn right now, it's super easy.
I got like a 3.75. I keep getting it.
Not wrong.
Yeah, but I did 3.5 squared plus.
Would you listen to me, please? Type it in the way I showed you. 3 times, open parentheses, -4 minus 1, close parentheses, square equals.
Wait, where are we? I thought we already was done. Did you say we already was done?
Okay,
You said we're done.
just-
I thought you
just-
meant that. Okay, I thought we were in the next problem. I already answered this one.
okay, slow down. Okay, anybody else have problems with typing that in on the calculator? All right, who did number 10? Was that you, Maggie?
Yeah.
All right, Mackenzie, you're up on number 11. So what is C?
C is 3.5.
So everybody's got to type in 3.5 squared. What's B?
B is -4.
Now, I want to see how your calculator does this. -4, put parentheses. Okay, everybody do this for me on your calculator. Hit clear on your calculator. And I want you to type in -4. And then just hit the square button. What does it say?
-16.
Yeah, so that's incorrect, though. -4 squared is not -16. It's what? It's +16. So if you don't understand your calculate, you're missing a lesson. No, you're not. I'm helping you. Does everybody understand? I want everybody to type in -4 on their calculator. And if you just hit the square button, it's going to give you the right answer, which is -16. But because we're making a substitution, everybody's got to type it in as a what? Parentheses. So everybody do parentheses, -4, close parentheses, and then hit the square button. Now it gives you the right answer. Is everybody with me? So if you didn't pay attention now, you're going to miss a whole bunch of problems. All right. So when you're making a substitution, you need that parentheses. Now, we know, Mikey, right, that when you square a negative, it's always what? It's always a positive. So if you don't want to put in the negative, do you have to put in the negative? No, because we know it's going to come out to be positive. All right. Hopefully you understand what I'm saying. All right. So now I need Mackenzie, 3.5 squared plus -4 squared. Yeah, you should put -4 squared in parentheses.
19.5.
Anybody else get 19.5?
I need 2 grams.
No? All right, try it again, Mackenzie. Oh, you forgot to square the 3.5. All right, so do that for me. 3.5 squared plus parentheses, -4, close parentheses squared. Is that right? 28.25? Everybody okay with that? All right, now I want you to write it as a fraction. Everybody hit the second fraction decimal button. And what does it come out to be? 28 1/4. Now I want it as an improper fraction. So now use your calculator to convert it to an improper fraction.
Oh, come on, Mikey.
How is it? Second fraction to decimal. I want some help with 28 1/4. What is it? 113/4. Now, look, you have to know how to use your calculator. So again, this is an important concept right here. Converting. Sometimes it's going to say whole number or mixed fraction. Sometimes it's going to say improper. Sometimes it's going to say decimal. All right. Everybody needs to know how to do that. Anybody have any questions? All right, Wilson, we're on. Lila's up. Second, and then you hit ABC button. And then hit enter. Good? Yes, sir. Did I?
Yeah.
Oh. No, Wilson. No. Oh, yeah, right. You're right. I did. Austin, you get to do 12. What am I doing? 4 times what?
Well, can I just tell you the answer?
No, I just want you to tell me I said, I don't want just the answer. You got to write down on your paper 4 times what's C.
3.5.
Good.
Then you get, I think.
No, -7 plus what's B?
4 to the third power.
Notice I put it in parentheses.
Oh, and yeah, you get 57. Negative.
What is the answer, please?
Negative 57.
Anybody else get that? -57. All right, please write that down. All right, now, Wilson, you get to do 13 and 14. Tell me the answer to 13.
Okay, wait 1 second. Sorry.
That's all right. No, I want you to finish. 13.
11, 4.
Yes. And then what's 14?
3, 5.
Yes. All right, that's all you have to write down. Dora, did I skip you?
Nora.
Oh my gosh. Nora, I don't know what I'm doing today. I'm having a bad day, Nora. I'm sorry. Tell me about number. Did I skip you? Did I skip you?
No, what is there?
No, I know, but did you do one yet?
No.
All right, so you're doing 15 and 16.
All right, well.
Gosh, I can't believe I did that twice.
that's too bad.
Go.
So for 15, it is -8 to the 6th power.
Thank
Or,
you.
sorry, negative in parentheses to the power of 6th power.
Yeah, that's good. What about
And,
16?
16 would be -14 to the power of 3 and parentheses.
Good job.
All right.
All right, Aiden, over here. What? What's the matter?
Never mind.
You good? Okay, Aiden, you're on 17.
That's -1/5 to the 4th power.
Good job. All right, and go ahead, do 18.
That's -1.5 to the 3rd power.
Perfect. All right, Miss Elliott.
There's A, B, and then 4.
Yes. Now, I also want everybody on this one, everybody look at 19. I also want everybody to write down A to the 4th, B to the 4th. That's the same thing. All right, everybody needs to know that. If parentheses, both of them are to the 4th. Aiden, you okay?
Yeah.
What's the matter?
No,
Am I going too fast? Tell me, slow down, man. I don't mind doing. You're awesome. Tell me what to do. What do you need?
Nothing, I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right, man. Okay, 20, you're up.
I have a question about 19.
Okay,
Why would you put it in parentheses?
well, because there's 4 of them,
Okay.
right? And I want you to know that not only, if you don't put it in parentheses, just write AB to the 4th, that'd be wrong. You with me? Because the A is also to the 4th. You with me?
Mhm.
So tell me about 20.
20 is 5, P to the 3rd power, and then P to the 3rd power.
You're awesome. That is correct. What?
Can I use the bathroom?
Hurry up. All right, next. Jacob.
Yeah.
Tell me.
On number 21.
Yes.
All right, I did 3 times 7.
Which is what?
Well, that's 21.
Then how many
So
M's?
21, 2M, or M2, and then N4.
Yeah. I'm happy with that. Everybody good? Yes, Aiden.
Could you have done 3 and then 7 parentheses? And
Well, generally what we say, Aiden, that's a good question, is if the numbers are there, just multiply them.
okay.
You know what I mean?
Got it.
All right, 22. Jacob, go.
Oh, you want me to do that?
Yes.
All right, I'm just going to do one.
Everybody's doing 2.
I did 8 parentheses C plus 4 parentheses closing 2.
Yes, good. Mikey, number 23.
Hold on, can I do that? 22 first?
Is that the bell for us? No.
Slow down.
I'll slow it down. I'll slow down. Here we go. Mikey's gonna do 23 when he's all caught up. If you're good, just keep on going.
23 is
What is that?
minus 5 to the 3rd power.
Notice we're putting parentheses, right, Mikey?
Yeah.
All right, tell me about 24.
24 2x to the second power plus 3y.
No. You can't do that. Next year, I'll explain why. But you're just going to put 2x plus 3y to the what?
So second power.
Second power, like that. Okay. All right, now we got a couple word problems I want to go ahead and talk about. And I'm going to let Sophia read to me. Number 25. Go.
The longest chain of active volcanoes is in the South Pacific. This chain is more than 3 times 10 to the 4th power miles long and has approximately 3 to the 5th power times 5 volcanoes.
Okay, so how long is the chain? So you just type that right on the calculator.
$30,000.
30,000 miles. That's right. 30,000 miles long. Yes.
Could you just like check the number you're multiplying by, just add the zeros?
Yeah, there are actually 4 zeros. That is true. But that only works for tens.
I know.
All right. So now I want you to tell me the number of volcanoes that are on the islands.
For 5, you can do half of it though.
No, you can't. 1,000 what?
1,250.
1,215 volcanoes. All right, is everybody okay with that? I'm good with that. Lila, you get to read number 26.
A water park has a wave flow that contains about 2 to the 6th power times 4 to the 3rd power times 10 to the 2nd power gallons of water. How many gallons of water?
All right, let's see if you can do that on your calculator.
Um, 409 or 409 and 60.
And then we put gallons, right? Is everybody okay with 409,600 gallons? Everybody make sure you can do that. Okay, now, yeah, this is all just using your calculator. All right, so let's just keep on going. All right, I'm gonna let 27. Addison, that's correct.
Which is
Easy. Good job. Max, you're on 28.
oh, do you have to put it in parentheses?
No, only if it's what?
Maybe.
Yeah, negatives when you should use parentheses. I just do it out of habit. All right,
And 2.5 get a 3rd power.
exactly. What'd you get?
15.625.
Everybody get that?
You're.
All right, next.
Well, if I have the right match, I was probably confused.
For number 30. So what's X? Yeah, we're doing 30.
I thought it was 29.
Oh, yeah, we are. We are 29. I'm sorry. I didn't see it over there. So you do 7 times parentheses -2 squared. Okay. You got to do parentheses when there's negatives. You're going to make a bunch of mistakes. Yes, sir. 28 is good. All right. Maggie, you're on 30. What?
We do -2 and square it.
Oh, wait, no, I was right. Never mind.
Okay, here we go. 30. Maggie, what's X?
X is -2.
Good.
And then parentheses 5. Wait, would you do parentheses around -2 or only?
No. No, you don't need to.
Okay. And then times 3 to the 5th power.
Exactly.
And it's -54.
That's what I got, -54. Good job. All right, Austin, you're up.
Is that what Kansas supposed to do?
No, you're up.
31 is 2.5 to the second power, add 15. And then 3 plus x equals,
Wait a minute, I'm asking. 2.5 squared plus x, what's x?
oh, I meant 5. And then
I'm asking you a question, what's x?
oh, x is 92.
Right. So now do that on your calculator. Don't tell me 2.5 squared is 5.
Oh, wait, we're timing.
What did you get?
5, and then plus -2.
Mm-hmm.
What gotta put parentheses?
No. What'd you,
3.
no, 2.5 squared is not 5. You've already said that. 2.5 squared, I think, is 6.25.
Oh, I forgot to put the square, but. It's 9.25.
What?
It's 9.25.
2.5 squared. What is 2.5 squared?
Says 9.5.
No, clear it out. Start over.
He did the whole thing.
Shh, shh, he's still wrong.
Oh, I didn't clear my answer. I didn't clear this. Oh, 6.25
-2.
minus 2
Yeah.
is 4.25.
Thank you. That was quick. All right. Let me see if I can get it right today. Nora, you are up. No, because I've said Dora twice today. I didn't skip you. No, I didn't. I'm going down again. I messed up last time.
I got 3 to the 4th power plus 9 equals
What is that?
it's 90.
90 is what I got.
Had some weird number after it, I don't know.
All right. 33, Wilson.
So it's 2 times 3
Right.
plus 2.5 to the third power.
Yes.
Put that first.
No, it's not negative.
I got 21.625.
Anybody else get that?
Yeah.
All right. I'm happy with that. Mackenzie.
So -2 to the second power
Right.
plus 2 times 3
Good.
minus 3. That would be 7.
That would be 7. You are correct. If it's negative. All right, you need parentheses around the negative. Do you hear me? So make yourself a note if you're not sure. All right. Yeah, we still have, how much time do we have? What time's the bell ring? 11. Yeah, let's go ahead and do some more problems. All right, Aiden, I'll let you do 35.
All right, it's 3 to the second power minus 3 times -2 plus 8.
That is correct.
and that's 23.
That's what I got, 23. All right, Miss Elliott.
So it's 4 parentheses 3 plus 1 close parentheses and 4. And I got 1024.
That's what I got, 124. Yep, Jacob's up. Jacob's gonna do 37.
All right, let me get you straight. So number one, so three parentheses, 2 times 2.5 plus 4, closing parentheses, 2 which equals 243.
Ooh, let me see if you're right. Did you say 243?
Yes, I did.
All right, that feels good. 243. I'm pretty happy. Mikey, last one for us today. Don't do us wrong now.
5 times
Right.
-34.
That's not what I got.
Positive 34.
What did anybody else get?
-10.
-10.
-10. If you got -10, you are correct. If you didn't, you got what Mikey got. Wrong.
I don't think
Parentheses. Come on, Mikey. Get with that program here. All right, your job, guys. Finish up the homework. I said, make sure at the top, 40 through 57. All right, don't worry about 39. You can cross out 39. All right, just everybody get busy on 40 through 57. 40 through 57. All right, if it has it as a fraction, type it in as a fraction. All right, great job today, guys. Hopefully you know how to use your calculator a little better.